Back to monsoon 2021. New storms tonight, but crews still cleaning up after our last round of storms. These ones pummeling the valley. Power knocked out to thousands of homes and also businesses. Repairs going on for days now. ABC 15's Nicole Valdez reporting near 35th Avenue in Peoria, where crews remain hard at work tonight.
Well, you see all these restaurants and stores around me. They're still dark and empty and have been since Saturday night. The winds that came through this area taking out 14 utility poles and the dozens of lines that hung between them. A crazy Saturday night on the roads. Downed power lines, stopping traffic in some parts of West Phoenix.
And when these strong winds come and, topple over power poles, then our job is to fix the problem, get the power back on.
The race to do so started almost instantly. APS says crews came out that night knowing now more than ever, being in the dark and without cool air can be the difference between life and death.
They were able to reroute some power to get some customers on right away within the first hour. And then they got a little creative. They created some temporary cabling that took the power to their houses.
But the job far from finished. Still nearly 30 restaurants, stores, and other nearby businesses waiting to get back to work as APS crews hoist themselves in the air Monday to replace and reconnect more than a dozen utility poles and get the lights back on.
Everything that is going up is permanent, and so once that's up, we'll take people off of those temporary cables, reroute the power back the way it's supposed to be.
As they assess this latest storm and get ready for the next.
Arizona's challenges with the heat, with the storms, with wildfires, we get our systems ready all year long, do all our maintenance, so in the summer we can be ready. But sometimes we are no match for Mother Nature.
And check it out right behind me. That's one of the new metal poles APS has installed to replace the large wooden ones that got knocked down during the storm over the weekend. APS says they expect to have these businesses back up and running by Wednesday. But one tip they want to recommend to anyone who uses their service is to download their app and sign up for alerts. That way you can find out when the power goes out, if it affects you, and when you can expect it back. In Phoenix, I'm Nicole Valdez, ABC 15, Arizona.